Hello student, in the online session of Morier Science Academy, we learn the chapter Cell Structure and Organization. In today's session, we learn about the remaining cell organelle, that is ribosome, nucleus and cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton consists of cilia, flagella, centriole as well as centrosomes. Now we see the remaining cell organelle one by one. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are chemical factories of the protein. Ribosomes are dense particles composed of ribosomal RNA and protein. Ribosomes contain 65% portion of ribosomal RNA and 35% portion of the protein. Eukaryotic cell contains 80S type of ribosome, which is made up of 40S type of small subunit and 60S type of large subunit. Large and small subunit join to form a cleft during protein synthesis. During protein synthesis, mRNA and tRNA also helps. So, mRNA passes through the cleft or binds to the smaller subunits of ribosome. mRNA contains codon and these codon are decoded by transfer RNA. These transfer RNA reach at the A site of ribosome. It is amino acid synthetase site. After that, tRNA reach at the P site where codon anticodon pairing takes place and tRNA release the amino acid. So amino acid release at the P site and these empty tRNA exit from the E site. That means ribosome contains three sites, that is A site, P site and E site. Ribosomes present in mitochondria, plastid and in cytosol of the eukaryotic cell. In cytosol, cytoplasm, ribosomes attached to outer surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum and nuclear membrane or freely suspended in the cytoplasm. Bound ribosomes produce proteins which are transported outside the cell and works as functional units, that is, they works as pigment ribosome as well as antibody molecules. Free ribosomes generally produces enzymatic protein and used inside the cell to carry out various catabolic as well as anabolic activities. Free ribosomes comes together and forms a chain called as polyribosomes. Polyribosomes increases efficiency of protein synthesis. It produces large number of proteins at a one time. Bound and free ribosomes have ability to change their positions. Ribosomes are of two types, that is 70S ribosome present in prokaryotic cell and 80S ribosome present in eukaryotic cell. This S denotes Weinberg unit or particle size of the ribosome measured in Weinberg unit. 1 Weinberg unit is equal to 10 raised to minus 13 second. Actual, this Weinberg unit is a speed at which or sedimentation rate of the particle in centrifuge machine during isolation of the ribosomes or separation of the ribosomes. Nucleus is a carrier of heredity. It is controlling center of the cell and contains genetic material DNA in the form of chromosomes. Position of nucleus is different in different cells. In animal cell, it is present at the center. In granular cell, it is present at the base. In adipose tissue and plant cell, it is present at the peripheral position. The shape of nucleus is also different in different cell. In cuboidal cell and monocyte, it is spherical or round. In columnar cell, it is oval. In chymous cell, it is disc-shaped. It is multinucleated and bilobed in the acidophils. In vorticella, it is C-shaped. In lymphocytes, it is kidney-shaped. And in basophil, it is S-shaped or twisted. Nucleus made up of nuclear envelope, nucleolus, nucleoplasm and chromatin network. We see all the structure one by one. The first structure is nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope contains nuclear membrane, fibrous lamina, nuclear pores, annuli and nuclear complex. Nuclear envelope, it is a double membrane covering of nucleus. It contains nuclear membrane. The outer two trilamellar unit membrane is called as nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane associated with endoplasmic reticulum and inner nuclear membrane associated with the fibrous lamina. The space present between outer and inner nuclear membrane is known as perinuclear space. Perinuclear place filled with the perinuclear fluid. Nuclear membrane along with perinuclear space separate cytoplasm from the nucleoplasm. Fibrous lamina is second covering of the nuclear envelope. It is dense honeycomb-like structure present on inner side of inner nuclear membrane. It contains network of the protein fibers. Nuclear pores are small pores or small opening present on the nuclear envelope. Nuclear pores contains electron dense ring called as annuli. It works as a diaphragm. Nuclear pores along with annuli forms a pore complex. Pore complex act as selectively permeable membrane. The nucleopores are guarded by pore complexes which regulates flow of substances from nucleus to cytoplasm in a reverse manner. Nucleoplasm is transparent, semi-solid, granular and slightly acidophilous liquid present in the nucleus. Nucleoplasm contains nucleotides, nucleic acid, enzymes and minerals. Nucleoplasm contains nucleolus. This nucleolus is a dense homologous body which contains coiled filaments called as nucleolema. It is made up of ribosomal RNA and protein. It is site for synthesis of the ribosome. Nucleolus is single in most of the cell. Two nucleolus present in the liver cells as well as lymphocytes. In blastomers and muscle cells there is no nucleolus. Ovum or oocyte contains large nucleolus, whereas sperm cell contains small inconspicuous nucleolus. In short, nucleolus is a site for synthesis of the ribosome. Nucleoplasm contains chromatin reticulum. Chromatin reticulum is a thread-like coiled elongated structures present in nucleoplasm. It contains genetic material DNA and nuclear proteins. Chromatin reticulum consists of two parts, that is heterochromatin as well as euchromatin. Heterochromatin is darkly stained and genetically inactive region which contains small amount of DNA. Euchromatin is lightly stained and genetically active region which contains large amount of DNA. Now, chromatin reticulum contains a large DNA. DNA contains small repeated units known as nucleosomes. These nucleosomes forms chromatin reticulum. During cell division, chromatin reticulum undergoes unwrapping and there is formation of the nucleosomes. These nucleosomes forms chromosomes. Chromosomes are distinct colored bodies formed from condensation of the chromatin reticulum. Number of chromosomes is always specific for a species. Eukaryotic cell contains typical chromosome, whereas prokaryotic cell contains irregular folded mass of the chromosome. Eukaryotic cell contains paired chromosome and prokaryotic cell contains single chromosome. Nucleus perform different functions. That is, it has ability of self-replication due to presence of DNA. It is responsible for heredity, variations and mutation. It plays important role in the evolution. It helps in determination of the phylogeny and taxonomy. It also helps in synthesis of DNA, RNA, proteins and ribosomes. It acts as carrier of genetic material. And it has ability to transfer genetic material from one generation to the next successive generation. The last cell organelle, that is cytoskeleton. The network of fibrils present throughout the cytoplasm is cytoskeleton. It consists of microtubules, microfilament and intermediate filament. Microtubules are made up of tubulin protein. Microfilaments are made up of actin protein and intermediate filaments are made up of fibrous protein. Cytoskeleton helps in maintenance of the shape of cell, contraction of the cell, mobility of the cell and cell organelle. Now we see the common structure of cilia and flagella. Both are the locomotory organs. Now cytoskeleton consists of basal body, basal plate and shaft. Basal body is present in outer part of cytoplasm. It is formed from centriole, which contains 9 peripheral triplets of the fibrils. Now, these 9 peripheral triplets are see, it is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 and 9. So they are 9, and in the center there is presence of the 2 triplets. Shaft contains sheath and exosome. Sheath is covering of membrane and axoneme is a core. 11 fibrils running parallel to long axis. It shows 9 peripheral duplets and 2 single central fibrils. Central tubules are enclosed by central sheath. Central sheath connected to one of the tubule of peripheral doublets by radial spokes. Central tubules are connected to each other by bridges. Peripheral doublets are connected to each other through linkers and inter-doublet bridge. Now we see general structure of the cilia and flagella. Cilia are fine hair-like membrane-bound protoplasmic outer growth present on free surface of the cell. They generate current in fluid medium for passage of material and locomotion. Cilia act as locomotory organ of the cell. Cilia shows propelling movement or peristaltic movement. Flagella are longer and spiral structures. There are structural differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic flagella. It also works as locomotory organ. Centriole is non-membranous cylindrical microtubules present in circle which contains 9 triplets of the microtubules. Diameter of centriole is 1500 to 2500 angstrom. Now, it is present only in the animal cell. Centriole are made up of 9 sets of the triplets or microtubules. These microtubules are made up of a tubulin protein. Triplets are connected to each other by non-tubulin proteins. The set of tubules present at the center is hub. Peripheral triplets are connected to hub by radial spokes. Centrioles are perpendicular to each other and surrounded by amorphous substance called as pericentriolar material. Now, centrosome is a dense area of cytoplasm which contains pair of centriole. That is called as centrosome. It is present near to the nucleus of the animal cell. Centrosome are distinct during the karyokinesis phase of the cell division. Centrosome is an area which contains 2 centrioles. Okay. It is all about the cell organelles present in the prokaryotic cell. Thank you.